something for the YouTube.
There's something?
There's something crazy.
So we got an hour and 18 minutes. How do we feel?
That's poop.
Gotta poop. How we feeling?
Feeling good, man. Ready to get there, get set up, get rock and rolling. For now, I got my M&Ms.
Team Moto Goons.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Meet me in the bar. It's going down. Meet me in the trail. It's going down.
We got our hookup, Bex Tech, getting our boy Aaron up for our suspension for his motos, getting his clickers in. You know, our other guy doesn't run Bex Tech.
Start chasing me, and that's even funnier.
Okay, let's
She
go.
chased me.
Let's go.
She can hear us.
Everett, take one for the team. No, he literally almost got ran over by a car getting started.
Gotta
get started. Ooh!
Trying to get
You want me to hold it?
Bro, what you doing, bro? Bro, what you doing, bro? Get sturdy. Get sturdy.
What are you doing?
Get sturdy, talking.
Okay, go. Welcome to Moto Goons, where we do the Moto factory tips. On here, make your guys' bike control a lot more efficient and keep you guys safe on the bike. Elbows, so you can have more play when you're riding. And you see how the pros ride on the balls of their feet when they drop their ankles and squeeze? If you think about it, when you're landing, you're only just gonna be more stiff on the bike, so you're gonna put more wear on your body.
Called the first one savage, mold my mood, that's what it was. 2016, we was running around, beat up in the club. I know she around for the money, but act like she loyal, I don't for the love. I'm so rich, get caught, my wake up, buy me a car just cause. This is hard, she spent the 5, my booty cost me a dub. All my got PLs, all my got push.
Shout out to Brady for recording for us. Thank you, dude. Tech tips ever had to hit a corner.
I think she's a little squeaky. Yeah? You hit the corner fast, you gotta keep your elbows down. Keep the foot all the way out as high as you can get it. Elbows down, foot up. Should look like this.
Called the first one savage, mold my mood, that's what it was. 2016, we was running around, beat up in the club. I know she around for the money, but act like she loyal, I don't for the love. I'm so rich, get bored, might wake up, buy me a car just cause.
All these dirt crossers telling you to keep your feet on the pegs in the corner. Don't do that. Leave your feet off the pegs. Feet up, both sides. Once you got grass in your peg, that means going fast.
Still be hopping out running.
Big old pit bike pile up. Yeah, pit bike pile up.
So quick.
That's gnarly, dog.
Dude, I bailed right when I landed.
Hey, is everybody straight?
I'm good.
God. Go down. gonna try and drag bar in this corner. Oh. Oh. He's close. He's gotta get that foot up. Oh God. Oh. Bent the shift shaft. Oh, dude.
Caught the first one savage, but my move, that's the word. 2016, we was running around, beat up in the club. Want she around for the money, but act like she loyal, I don't feel the love. I'm so rich, get bored, might wake up, buy me a car just cuz. It's hard cause she spent the 5, my b cost me a dub. I ain't with the rap beef, Draco, pedophile, all my arts get touched. We ain't never ran off on no bar, but we still be hopping out cuz. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. I leave with my cars. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. All my arts be run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. Wipe this nose, it was running, 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 running. Savage never did no. That closet for your wife, that hookah for your wife. I'm slaughter game, you know I brought my knife. 21. He was talking gangsta. 21. We caught him at a light. I let my young do it, it was free. He wanted a strike. Okay. Having my way with the cheese, loving the dick with the beat. Okay. I know that she ratchet. I could tell by the way that she wearing her weed. 21. Smoking on Zaza, did came out the garden with Adam and Eve. 21. Chopper go pop out, shoot up your power. I be trying to make it leave. 21. Got out of line, spanked that baby. We had to rock the sleep. Is it an issue? Keep that pistol, live in the ditch. All that pillow talk, I'ma have to send the boogeyman to come get you. Chain hang low like yellow, grind deep like pogo.
Time to blow it up. You gonna hit that jump? Alright, I'll record it. Sure. Hit that jump real quick before we have to go. Exactly. Yo, yeah, dude. Video 2022, we're going to the pitbike race right now. Pitbike race. Let's go!
Looks like you lost another one.
Let's go, yeah. I'm a walking Bennett, nigga. I should be a LC. I keep shooters like I'm CP3. I was
track pro.
Blicky like on 22G. Tripping out this cyber shit. Sometimes I put my mind to these. Pull up with this rifle like I'm Devin Booker, number net. Told her mama I ain't even trying to smash, y'all want number net. Told these folks that I ain't flying commercial, I do number jets. If any op survive when we slide, then he consider blessed. Feeling like I'm Trey on with the Glock because I score a lot. Feeling like I'm Yoda with the wisdom cause I know a lot. Count up the extra in the truck, I might go buy some stocks. The AR-556 to go through walls just like it's juggernaut. Think about my saber, so I bulletproof the SUV. The AP on my wrist, inside the clutch, shine like some LEDs. I know some niggas who learn how to shoot before they learn to read. All that money got me buying land and got me signing these. Cruising for 2 weeks, I need to cleanse, feel like my soul corrupted. All these players in this circle, you gon' get your bitch abducted. Right now, yeah, I'm in it, fucking catch you with that motor perm. This week I'ma twist up off the palm. You smell this exotic burn. My lady got a bin and now she earning. She keep buying purses. We on shroom the drug right here natural. We not doing perky.
Many